Hello guys, welcome back. So now here in this session, I'll explain about whole document. This is also the part of document posting itself, so it will be there, what to say, in this segment itself. So in this session, I'll explain about whole document. What is this whole document? How to put a document on hold? Okay. So I'll tell you guys, whole document means what? The logic is quite simple. Let's suppose you are posting a transaction and in between you have some urgent work, you got a call, or it's like you're trying to post a transactions. I'm talking about end users, in the sense users, not for the consultant, because whole document, this is end user activities and all. So any user is trying to post a transaction, in between urgent call is there, urgent work is there, or else you're doing certain activity, at the same time you got a call from your project manager saying that come to my desk immediately. So what will happen, guys? Now half of the things you have already done. While posting a transactions, multiple details you have to give. Here, like here we are giving the GL accounts, amounts and other things, right? But if you talk about in real time, what is happening, guys? Multiple details are going to be given, even narrations and everything you have given, and half of the things you have given, and after that you have to, let's suppose, go immediately. You have to, quit your what is a cubicles, in the sense your desk. So in that case, what is happening? If you're going to leave it up the system as it is, let's suppose, then what will happen? Might be after if it has taken 15 minutes, 20 minutes, once you come back, automatically your system is, whatever SAP is there, is going to be logged out, right? So now your entire whatever things you have put over there, that is gone. So once again you have to put, in the sense, once again you have to give all the details. I'll show you practically. So this is what the logic behind whole document. Whole document means, say for example, FB50. So here what is happening, I've given, let's suppose, some details here, reference field, header text, okay, and say for example I've given debit, and again 700, right? And here let's suppose text can be given, here also text. These things you have given. At the same time, you got a call from somebody, or else you're having some urgent activity. Now you have to leave up your desk and you have to go there. So in that case, what is happening, guys? If you're going to leave it up as it is, then once you come back after 15 minutes or 20 minutes, there might be chances that system is logged out automatically. So in that case, again, same transactions, same activity you need to repeat. So instead of that, you're having an option, so you can keep this document, you can keep this transaction posting on hold. On hold means click on here, hold document, okay. So, and here you can give a temporary document number 1, 2, 3. Let's suppose here I'm going to give 1, 2, 3. Press enter. So now what is happening, guys? It went on hold. This document, whatever what to say transactions happened, that went on hold. So here now, so what is happening, guys? Simply I kept this transaction on hold, and then you can log off and you can go, or else even you can leave up your system as it is. And once you come back, once you come back, then what is happening? You are going to start from exactly where you left earlier. Okay, you need not to give all the details once again. Simply you just do one thing, and here, okay, look at here, select held document. You need to click in the sense, like once you come back, let's suppose even system is logged out also, in that case also, once again we are going to use FB50, this transaction code, and then you need to click on edit and click on select held document. Select held document, and here you must be, you first of all you should be able to remember your document number. If you forgotten, let's suppose there might be questions that if you forgotten, then what will happen, that I'll let you know. But right now here, or else like if you have to delete also, you can delete your whole document also, there is no problem. But right now you should be able to remember your whole document, right? Here if you click on this drop down, look at here, you're going to get your whole document number easily, right? If you forgotten here, let's suppose 2, 3 numbers are there, in that case also you have to select like which one you have kept on recently, like on hold, right? So of course one document is there, keep this and press enter. So look at here, now everything is coming, right? But only debit details. Now I'm going to give the credit details also. Okay, press enter. So now this is a complete transaction, guys. If you want to give the text and all, you can give it, and then you can simulate, and you can save it. Okay, I'm not saving right now. Let's suppose I'll tell you guys now, if you keep a document on hold, then this is not a complete document. This is not a complete transactions. So if you think like, okay, rent GL, I have already entered the rent GL and that certain amount I have given, right? So what about this amount? Is it going to update your GL balances? I'll tell you, this is not going to update the GL balances, whatever the, because this is not a complete transactions. See, GL balance is going to be updated once you post the transactions. Apart from this, if you keep a transaction on hold, this is incomplete transactions, right? This is not complete transactions. So this is not going to update your GL balances. GL balance is going to be updated when once you post this. I'll just do one thing. Open one more screen and uh, open this FBL3N report. Here you can give your GL account 4,000. So look at here, guys. Now 2,000 rupees, right? 2,000 is the balance. And here, if you're going to post it, Control S, then it should be 2,700, right? 2,700. Just click on refresh. So look at here, it is 2,700, right? So now, if you put a document on hold, then what will happen, guys? It is not going to update that your GL balances. Why? Because whole document is an incomplete transactions. Incomplete transactions. This is not a complete transaction. So only complete transactions, whatever the complete transactions are there, that is going to. So I have posted a transaction just now. This is a complete transactions, guys. This has updated the GL balance here, right? Now, whatever documents you kept on hold, so even you can delete also if required. Look at here, delete whole document, right? So you should be able to remember. And how you are going to remember, guys? So of course, I told you here itself you'll be having options. You can keep here. Look at here. So right now we are not having any document because only one was there that I have posted. So if you click on this drop down, whatever documents are there, that is going to be visible. You can select that document. If you have to post it, you can post it, or else if you want to delete it, you can delete it. So this is a very simple concept is there, guys. Whole document means whole document is like you can say it is incomplete transactions, and wherever you have to uh, if let's suppose you have to perform any other activities and all, you're in the middle of the transactions, and in that case you cannot leave it up in the middle itself. So we can put our this transaction on hold. Okay, so incomplete transaction is there. Once you come back on your desk again, you can complete this. This is what the use of hold document, guys. Now so in next session I'm going to cover one more thing called park document. Okay, this is also quite similar to whole document, guys. Once I explain the park document, then I'll let you know what is the differences between whole document and park document, because this is what the question which is going to be asked by people, and you should have the exclusive answer, because in market multiple people are going for the interview and all. How and why somebody is going to select you only until unless your answer is exclusive. So that I'll let you know, guys, in next session, next segment. I'm going to explain this park document, and then I'll let you know the differences between whole document and park document. That's all in this session, guys.